Introducing the UHDD Tablet Deduster from LFA. Using compressed air and a carefully engineered agitation mechanism, the UHDD loosens dust from the tablets whilst keeping the tablets intact and undamaged. With a dial to adjust speed, the control panel is simple and easy to operate. The UHDD was specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with most production lines with this uphill dedusting system. The deduster features a simple locking system for ease of cleaning and maintenance, an adjustable stand, and wheels for mobility, featuring a stainless steel design that is safe and GMP compliant. Able to dedust up to 800,000 tablets per hour, making the UHDD a necessity for any large-scale production line. Leaving pristine tablets, the UHDD Tablet Deduster is perfect for taking your tablets to the next level. For more information, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.